We begin tonight with a disgraced Ottawa lawyer found guilty of serious crimes, sentenced to 4 years in prison today. James Bowie threatened to kill a former client after she first told CTV News he offered her legal services in exchange for sexual favors. That sparked a years-long legal saga, which ended today with the judge issuing a sentencing saying Bowie became completely unhinged. CTV's Austin Lee was in the courtroom today and joins us live with the details. Austin.
Well, Patricia, James Bowie spent most of today's court proceedings just staring at the ceiling. The Crown was seeking a 4-year sentence, and that's exactly what the judge handed down after Bowie was found guilty of extortion, uttering a death threat, and criminal harassment. Disgraced Ottawa lawyer James Bowie sentenced to 4 years in prison on Tuesday.
The breach of trust on this level is quite frankly staggering.
Bowie threatened to kill his former client, Leanne Aubin, and criminally harassed and extorted a friend of his.
It is a well-considered and completely appropriate sentence. Mr. Bowie deserves to go to the penitentiary for the despicable and deplorable crimes that he committed.
In March, Bowie was found guilty of threatening to kill Aubin, even pressuring a former friend to get him a gun to, quote, end her, after she told CTV News and the Law Society of Ontario in 2022 that he offered her legal services in exchange for oral sex. When the friend, whose name is protected under a publication ban, stopped responding to him, he placed GPS trackers on her vehicle.
It's an unusual case for a lawyer to find themselves on this side of the criminal courts, and there aren't a lot of cases like that.
Bowie's lawyer was calling for a conditional sentence, served in the community and at least partially under house arrest. It's not clear if Bowie plans to appeal the prison sentence.
Ultimately, that'll be up to him. Obviously, he's got a period of 30 days in which to make that decision, and undoubtedly the matter will be reviewed.
When reading his sentence, Justice Paul Cooper said in part, Mr. Bowie's fall from grace was at his own hands, adding, he became completely unhinged. Aubin's lawyers say she is now working to rebuild her life.
She's a young mother who was struggling to begin with, and the judge said it perfectly, that vulnerability should never be equated with weakness.
And when reading his sentence earlier today, Justice Cooper also applauded the two women who came forward against Bowie, noting their integrity and calling them courageous. As part of the sentence, Bowie was also handed a non-communication order for both Aubin and the other woman. Patricia.
CTV's Austin Lee live for us tonight. Thank you.